Hello, I hope you are doing well. Today, before moving to work on our activity book, let's discover the differences in writing dates, American versus British English, how to write and say dates in English. In British English, we'll write the day, the month, and the year. So you write the 14th September 1971, and you say the 14th of September 1971. We have to pronounce the in the beginning, of before the month. The 14th of September, and then the year. But in American English, we'll write the month, the day, and the year. September 14th, 1971. And you say September the. So we have to pronounce the 14th, 1971. The month, and we pronounce the before the day, and we pronounce the number in ordinal number with th, and st for first, nd for second, and rd for third. The others th. Okay. Here we have some rules. For days are always said in ordinal numbers. We said numbers first, second, and so on. Months always start in a capital letter. Always start in a capital letter in English. And years are usually divided into two parts. You write 1984, but you say 1984. 19. So we divide the number into two parts. Two numbers here and two numbers here. 1984. But from the year 2000 to 2010, we normally say 2001, 2002, and so on. All right. Now let's move to our activity book. Page 38. Activity book, page 38. Exercise number 6. Choose dates from the box to label the pictures. So here we have the dates. In which English this one? We have the day, month, and the year, which means it's British English. It's the 26th of August, 1883. So here we are going to choose the dates for each of these pictures. We are going to label these pictures. Do you remember these pictures? We saw them last time on our pupils book when we talked about disasters. Okay, I'm going to show you that page. Is that one? Look. So look at this picture. It's about the ship. It's about the ship of Titanic that was on the 14th of April, 1912. B, so that's the Hindenburg. It's an airship that was in the 6th of May, 1937. Hurricanes was on the 10th, from the 10th of to the 16th of October 1780, and the volcano was on the 26th of August 1883, and the earthquake was on the 1st of November 1755, and tsunami was on the 28th of December 1908. All right, so let's go back to our exercise. So here, this is an earthquake that was on the 1st November 1755. Okay, we are going to put them here. So that was the earthquake. On the 14th of April 1912 was the disaster of the Titanic ship. On the 6th of May 1937, what was? So and so on. We have to put, or we have to label the pictures, depends on their dates. Okay, so here you have all the others. All right, now let's go on. Let's move to the next exercise. Read and write the dates. The day before the 25th, it's the 24th. The day after the 21st, it's the 22nd. The day after the 24th, it's the 25th, and so on. So we have to write the ordinal numbers in letters. Exercise number 8, complete the sentences. The first month is January. The third month is March. The fifth month is May. The seventh month is July. The 11th month is November, and the 12th month is December. Exercise number 9, sort and write the months. Put them in order. Look at the months here. They are not in order. We have to sort them and write them here. Okay. And of course, we are going to put them in order. First one is January. Second one is February. So we have to write the rest of the letters, and here number 2, and so on until finish all the months of the year. That's very easy. Next, answer the questions. What date was in yesterday? Was it yesterday? So yesterday, it was, for example, the 4th of May 2020, or whatever. It depends on the day you are reading this exercise. So we have to finish and complete these answers, write the answers. So we are going to write the dates. All these questions are about dates. When is your birthday? When's your friend's birthday? When's your teacher's birthday? What date does school finish this term? So we are going to do this exercise together in the meeting. Match the word with the pictures. Match the words with the pictures. Do you remember the weather vocabulary we have seen together? So here we have storm, tsunami, ice, hurricane, volcano, fog, fire, and lightning. We are going to number these pictures. So number 1 is tsunami. Sorry, number 1 is a storm. Sorry, this is a storm. Okay, we are going to do it here. It's better. So storm, this is a storm. Tsunami, this is a tsunami. It comes from the sea. Ice, here we have ice. Hurricane, this is the hurricane. Volcano, here we have the volcano. Fog, this is the fog. Fire in the forest. And here we have the lightning. You see? This is the correction of this exercise. Now, match the words and pictures with the definitions. So we have already numbered the pictures here. So we are going to match them with the definitions here. Heavy rain and strong winds. They are talking here about the storm. Very cold water, which is solid and not liquid. They are talking about ice. Ice, number 3. So we are going to put number 3 in this square. A mountain with a big hole at the top through which liquid rock and hot gas can come out. So of course they are talking about the volcano. Number 5. So you write number 5 in this square here. The electricity in the air which passes from one cloud to another or to the ground. They are talking about lightning. The lightning, number 8. Burning material and gases which can burn other things. Burning material and gases which can burn other things. I think they are talking about fire. 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 Here. Fire in the forest. So it's 7. Here's 7. A cloud which is near the ground or the sea. A ground which is near the ground or the sea. It's the fog. It's the fog, number 6. Write 6 here. An enormous and fast wave. So an enormous and fast wave. I think here they are talking about the storm. No, the wave. So they are talking about the tsunami. Yes, sorry, tsunami. So tsunami, it's number 2. So I'm going to put number 2 here. And the last one, this is the worst kind of storm with a very strong winds and heavy rain. They are talking about the hurricane. Hurricane, number 4 here. Let's check our answers here. So heavy rain and strong winds. So we talked about the storm. Very cold water, and which is solid, it's ice. A mountain with a so it's a volcano. It's a volcano. Where are you? Okay. Next, electricity in the air which passes from one cloud to so it's the lightning. A burning material and gases which can burn other things, it's fire. Cloud which is near the ground or the sea, it's the fog. and an enormous and fast wave, it's a tsunami. On the last one, this is the worst one, which is the hurricane. Now let's check our answers. Yes, they are correct. You see? All right. Now let's move to next. It's okay about this one. Keep a weather diary. If you want to make a diary, weather diary on your copybooks, you put the dates, Monday and the dates, and you tick how is the weather, sun, wind, cloud, storm, rain, snow, fog, etc. Okay? Yes, so that was all for today. See you next week. Goodbye.